floods. A problem, hassle, and disturbance for many. But what are floods? Floods are the most frequent type among many of natural disasters, and it is caused by excess water in one place due to the soil or ground already having too much of it, or in urban areas caused by blocked and or poorly maintained drainage systems as rain, ocean waves in coastal areas, or any other factors that causes an overflow of water reach that area. And the question arises, what measures can we do before, during, and after floods? This will answer that. As people say, prevention is better than cure. And it applies to this situation, so we must prepare before it even happens. As such, these are the measures on what to do before a flood occurs. Before even beginning to build your home, do plan it in a way that the damages that might be dealt will be minimal, or if you already have built your home, create some measures to assure its integrity against flood penetration. Prepare a kit that is always ready no matter the expected severity of the flood, that includes first aid kits, food good for a few days, your personal documents, and some cash as well. Elevate or store appliances and precious belongings in an elevated area away from flood in order to preserve such items in these types of situations. If possible, you can actually try to prevent flood from entering your home by surrounding the area with sandbags, makeshift flood barriers, or anything that could minimize flood entering your home. If your home starts flooding and you have not done any preventative measures, honestly, you're screwed. But here is what to do regardless. The rule of thumb in these types of situations is to stay put with close family members or close friends in order to assure everyone's safety. You may stay put in an elevated area in your home or in areas that won't get affected by the flood. Listen to the radio or try to find information on social media regarding the situation of the flood. If the flood is so severe and it reaches your electrical connections, please turn off your breaker in order to prevent electric shock, and to also isolate any utility connections if ever you have one. If the flood becomes unbearable in your home, you must head to the nearest evacuation site in your area to guarantee comfort and well-being whilst you wait out for the flood to recede. Congratulations, you survived another flood. It's cleanup time, but before that, here are some things to remember. Assess the damages on your home and fix it accordingly. Check yourself and your loved ones for any injuries sustained during the flood and get treatment accordingly as soon as possible. And that's pretty much all of the measures that we need to take before, during, and after a flood. Always remember, don't step on the flood water. Stay safe, ladies and gentlemen.
Try na hindi rin maging pasabol na mga pasaheros. Team S to Buracan. Ako nagapilit tubig. Kadakay. Adi na. Lapos na. Nanginano kadman kami. Pero waray jutin talon. Amo nagsinisiri nga. May dangan pagka disaster untan tanon pagka wake up aneng gamay kay di pa na sir nga ko ma-monitor ako waray tao ang barangay hall gising anay Andi na ko sa nga konsihal takaupod yan na baha nagihapon di diya is.
Sir, ang mga motor!
Yun lang.